Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sma, where I share recipes that I make for my family with you guys. Don't mind my voice, I have a cold, but that is not the topic of the day. We are making beef lasagna today. We're going to go through the ingredients, but remember, all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. In here, I have my red wine and some Worcestershire sauce. Gosh, I have some flour, garlic, milk. I have butter, also some bacon. Bacon is optional, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I have some lasagna sheets. I have some tomatoes. I'm using canned tomatoes, but fresh tomatoes are fine as well. Some onion, and finally some stock. And we are going to go get started with frying our onions. I have my oil going on the stove already, and to that I add my onions, and I'm also going to add the garlic. I'm frying these on low heat. You don't want to use very high heat. We don't want any color on the onions. We just want them fragrant and translucent. The onions are where I want them to be, and I'm going to just lower my heat and add the bacon, fry the bacon until brown. And to that we're going to add our spices. Remember, all the spices, all the ingredients, the measurements will be in the description box. Mix that all up and just let it fry for another minute or two. And we're going to introduce our mince. Fry your mince, brown your mince, until you are happy with the color of the mince. I'm just going to keep stirring just to make sure all, to get all the clumps out. Happy with the color of the mince, and we're now going to add the tomato paste, and I'm going to also add that mixture of Worcestershire sauce and the red wine. So at this point, if you're not using the red wine, you'll just be adding your Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything together, stir it up real nice. And we are now adding the tomatoes and the stock. Stay in your stock and make sure that everything is mixed well together, and add in the bay leaves and let that simmer on medium to low heat for about 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to get started on the white sauce while the mince is going. I already have my pot on the stove, it's already hot, and I'm going to add in the butter. My heat is on low. Butter burns very quickly. Once your butter burns, your sauce is ruined. That's exactly where you need to stop. Once the butter's melted, I'll be adding in the flour, whisking that in. Just going to mix in thoroughly the butter with the flour, and I'm going to let that cook for a few seconds. And I am going to start adding my milk slowly while I'm whisking. It starts off a little clumpy, but as you keep going, while you're whisking, it's going to become smoother and thicker. So just keep your eye on that consistency. If it's still too thick, add in a bit more milk as you need to. Mix all that up together until you achieve the consistency that we're looking for. And I'm now going to add my seasonings. I have lemon pepper, salt and pepper is still fine here. Mix everything well together, happy with that, and I'm going to put it to the side. Mince sauce mince is already cooked. It's now time to start layering our lasagna. You are starting with the sauce at the bottom of the casserole dish. My lasagna sheets, guys, are not cooked, are not pre-boiled. The instruction says to use as is, so I'm following the instructions on the lasagna box that I'm using. Follow that up with a layer of lasagna sheet, and then add your mince, add your sauce. Excuse my camera, guys, it's, yeah, I don't know what was going on here, but it's a little shaky. um your sauce is followed by another layer of your lasagna sheet, and then another layer of your sauce and your white sauce. You know, but you keep layering it just the way you see me doing here. And you need to finish with a layer of white sauce, and to that I'm adding grated cheese. We let that bake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees, and this is what we're looking at. Look at that, it is yummy, it smells delicious, it's gooey, it's cheesy, it is just warmth on a plate. I'm serving that with a just simple green salad with a homemade salad dressing, and this is just yumminess. Be sure to try that out. Let me know how it goes and enjoy. Your family is gonna love it for it. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Bye.